Good day! In this video, we are going to try and solve question 3A, 3B and 3C of the 2024 Algebra Level 2 NCEA paper titled Apply Algebraic Methods in Solving Problem. So without further ado, let's do 3A. So this question is about logarithm. So you need to know a bit about logarithm. So we have, this is called the index form, power, or we call it index form. And this is the log form. So to understand how to convert from a log form to index form or index form to log form, it's very simple. You put a single number on the left hand side. If you want to convert a log to index form, the last number becomes your first number and your first number becomes your last number. Same for the other way around. So without further ado, let's try to solve this. So question 3A, the single number is already on the left. X is on the left and you have log 5625. So to do that, now what we're going to do, the last number becomes your first number. So new log form, you have to convert to index form. So this last number, 625, is going to be the first number. And then x is going to be the last number. So you convert to power form, it's going to be 5 to the power of x. Now you need to use your calculator or you need to use some common sense to get 625 to the power of 5. Okay, it's very simple. You just need to put 5 to the power of 4. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is going to be 625, and that is equal to 5 power x. And if you simplify that, x is equal to 4, and that will give you an achieve in this paper. Great. Now we are going to do question 3B, and again it involves some logarithm. So I'm going to adjust the paper. Okay. The question sounds like this. Okay, we're going to adjust. Solve 9 2x plus 3 equal to 1 over 27 power x. This is a merit question and we're going to do it now. Okay, so we need to convert all to the same power. So 9 is the same as 3 squared and the number remains as 2x plus 3. 1 over 27 is actually 1 over 3 cubed. Okay, so we're going to leave it at 1 over 3 cubed power x. Simplify them, it's going to be 3, going to be minus 3x. That is how it's going to be, okay? 3 minus 3 is going to be minus 27. So that is how it's going to be. So then on the left hand side is 3 to 2x plus 3. Okay, now we're going to solve this by expanding. So this is equal to this. So we can claim the top, then the power is equal to the power. So we can say 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 3x. Okay, so we're going to expand now. 4x plus 6 is equal to minus 3x. Now we're going to minus 6 on both sides. So 4x equals to minus 3x minus 6. And last but not least, we're going to add 3x on both sides plus 3x on both sides. So it's going to be 7x. The minus 3x plus 3x cancel out is minus 6. And of course, the last step, you divide by 7. X equals to minus 6 over 7, and that is the merit in this paper. Awesome. Now we're going to do the last question, which is question 3C, and this sounds difficult, but it's actually quite easy. Okay, if log bx equal to 2, so log bx equals to 2, I'm going to put a single number on the left, okay, and then log 3b to the power y is equal to 2, I'm going to put 2, okay? Now we're going to simplify the log form to the index form. As I said before, the last number becomes your first number, so x, and your first number becomes your last number equal to b squared. And on this side, last number becomes the first number, y equals to, this becomes the power, because this is the last number, first number becomes your last number, so it becomes 3b squared. Okay, now we're going to simplify 3b squared. 3b times 3b is going to be 9b squared. So we are going to form the relationship between x and y. So if y equals to 9b squared and x equals to b squared, we can claim that y equals to 9 of b squared. Okay, so it's going to be 9 of x squared. So that 9x, okay, b squared is 9. So 9 of x will give you 9b squared. So it's merged, okay, 9 of x, and that will give you a merit in this paper. So watch the last two videos, which is on question 3D and 3E of this exam, and I'll see you soon. Cheers everyone, have a great day.